All right, my friends, this video is going to be the moment of truth. We're going to figure out whether or not we are able to stream some video and see it inside of our browser. So to get started, we're going to first do a little bit of configuration of OBS. If you recall, we already looked at the Node Media Server documentation. There was a section inside of here talking about how to receive video from OBS. So we essentially want to set up a streaming URL of rtmp localhost/live, and then the stream key that we use is going to be the stream name, which for us is going to be the ID of the stream object that we are looking at on the screen. So I'm going to pull on OBS right here. I'm going to find the settings button. On the left-hand side, I'll select stream, and then I'll select a stream type of custom streaming server. For the URL, I'm going to enter RTMP, my mistake, ://localhost/live. And then my stream key, again, it's going to be the ID of the stream that I'm viewing inside of my browser. So in this case, I'm at streams/1. So I'm looking at the stream with an ID of 1. If you're looking at a different ID, you need to enter that different ID. Because I'm at 1, I'm going to enter 1 right there. So I have simply 1 as my stream key. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. And then finally, I'm going to hit Start Streaming. And you'll notice in the background, what do I see? I see my stream start to appear. If you do not immediately see your stream appear right here, the first thing to do is try refreshing the page. When you refresh the page, you should then see the video player appear with your desktop image inside of it. So now I can click on play right here, and this is kind of strange, but I could hear myself talking what I was saying just a couple seconds ago. So I'm going to mute that audio right there. But if everything worked out correctly, you should see the stream of video on here. And if you have a microphone and you're talking into it, you should hear yourself as well. Now, keep in mind that the entire streaming process, usually there is a time lag in it. It might take up to 10 or 15 seconds for your video to catch up and actually be visible inside of the browser. All right, so this looks pretty awesome. It looks like everything is working out as we expected. There's just one last little thing I want to point out here. If I go over to click on Streamy and navigate away from this page, I'm then going to go back over to OBS, and I'm going to stop the stream. And you'll notice that when I did so, we see a little console log over here. You might have not quite noticed it if you didn't have your console open. If you didn't notice it, try turning on your stream again inside of OBS, and then go back over to your stream, clear out your console, make sure you play the video, then navigate back to the list of streams, and then here it is one more time. Even though I don't see that video player on the screen anymore, click on Stop Streaming, and then after a second or two, you're going to see a little console log over there, and it says Media Source, On Source Ended. So, I don't know, something seems a little bit strange about that. Well, let's come back to the next section. I'll tell you about why we're seeing that little console log right there, and some little bit of last-minute cleanup that we need to do just to make sure that our application is not going kind of crazy, so to speak. So quick pause, and we'll take care of this last task in the next video.